How to fix and solve Uber too many requests, try again later. So if you want to fix and solve Uber too many requests, try again later, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Uber. So go ahead and try updating your application. If you have any updates on your Play Store, you need to just simply go and update it, and your problem might be fixed. If you're still facing the issue, then you can go back and then find Uber, tap and hold on to your Uber application and go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then you need to go with clear storage. Go with delete app data and then delete all of your app data, which may include files or settings. After deleting, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you could also contact the help support. For that, you could just simply go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and just simply search for Uber support and let them know about it regarding the issue that you are facing. So these are some of the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for